Guys, and welcome back to my channel. The new Honda WRV has been awarded a 5-star safety rating by the new car assessment program for Southeast Asian countries, or ASEAN NCAP. This comes several weeks after the all-new compact SUV went on sale in Indonesia, where it competed against the Toyota Rise and Daihatsu Rocky. According to ASEAN NCAP, the variant test was the rank-topping RS with Honda Sensing, with the report also revealing Indonesia as the only production site for the WRV in the region. In its highest specification, the WRV comes with a 6 airbag, the Honda Sensing suite of the driver assistance system like autonomous emergency braking, lane departure warning, and a lane keeping assist, as well as the usual array of passive safety system or ESC and ABS. The WRV scored 27.41 out of 32 possible points in adult occupant protection, with the full A point in the side impact test. Meanwhile, child occupant protection was given a score of 42.79 out of 51 possible points, and in the safety assist category, the model achieved a 16.37 out of 21 possible points. As for the motorcycle category, which includes testing of blind spot technology as a part of the 2017 to 2020 protocol, Honda Lane Watch managed to score 2.91 out of 8 possible points in said test. With other tests include, the final score in this category was 8.38 out of 16 possible points, and when adjusted for weighting, the overall score was 77.07 points that qualifies for a 5-star rating. Okay guys, congratulations for 2023 Honda WRV winning the 5-star ASEAN NCAP rating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.